BabyBus.
Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead. Hi.
It's the best! You know how to make good food! Here's a coin!
Oh, the food is fantastic. Here's a coin.
It's really delicious. Here's a coin.
I want to order some food, please. What's good here? I want to have some cookies. I'll have a cup of coffee. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Get ready to grind some coffee beans. Turn the lever to see what happens. Turned into powder. Heat it up a little bit more. There are many coffee cups. I'll pick one. It smells sweet. Lastly, decorate it nicely. Awesome. Fragrant coffee is done. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Roll out the dough together. Choose your favorite shape. Oh yeah, now you can put it in the oven. Use the space bar to see what happens. Made sweet and crispy cookies. Here's your order. Coffee. Coffee. Cookies. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead.
Hi, I want to order some food, please. I want to have some ice cream.
I want to have a donut.
This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Wow, the ice cream looks really yummy. Add syrup and it'll taste even better. Add some delicious toppings. Wow! Earning gold coins can get new things. You've made a sweet and delicious ice cream. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Put the dough into the pan and fry it. Look, there are a lot of creams. Choose one you like. Strawberry flavor. Green pea flavor. Strawberry flavor. Green pea flavor. Top it with candy and it'll taste better. Wow, you've made a donut. Ice cream. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead.
Hi!
It's really delicious. Here's a coin.
Here's a coin.
It's the best. Here's a coin.
It's really delicious. Here's a coin.
I want to order some food, please.
What kind of desserts do you have?
I'll have some cake.
I want to have some ice cream.
This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Wow, the ice cream looks really yummy. Add syrup and it'll taste even better. Add some delicious toppings. You've made a sweet and delicious ice cream. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Mix the ingredients first. Awesome! Now pour them into the mold. Now you can put it in the oven. Which cream do you like best? Milk flavor. Our delicious cake is done.